Hey guys, welcome to the Gill Switch, where we work on cars and we prove if a team can do it, so can you. Today we're working on a 2014 Toyota Sienna. The other night we noticed that the tail lights were not fully on. As you can see, the corner lights are on, but not the tailgate lights. We're going to show you how to fix that today. To access the tailgate lights, you want to open up the trunk. As you can see, there's like a plastic covering. So the good thing about Toyota, they have a starter point, and you just want to get a pry bar and then pry it off without breaking any clips. I'll get some tools and I'll see you in a bit. Typically when working on paint, you want to use a rubberized tool, but since we're on location, we're using a slot-headed screwdriver pry bar, but you can use any type of slot-headed screwdriver and a piece of sandpaper. Let me show you how to do this. First thing you want to do, you want to get the non-abrasive side of the sandpaper and put it against the paint so then you don't scratch up the paint. You're going to hold the sandpaper, get your slot-headed screwdriver, put it into this slot, and then pull down until you hear a click. There we go. Now we're going to release all the clips the exact same way, and I'll get back to you. Now that all the clips are off, you can drop these tools. Now it's held in by these two plastic things. It's just a pull, push, and then pull down. Oh. There you go. Just when you think you have it made, there's one more clip all the way up there that you have to pop. So grab your flat-headed screwdriver and just pop it down. Now that you released that clip, you can see they put in 4 more. So I'm gonna get those done and I'll get back to you shortly. When you release the last clip, make sure you hold it on the bottom because it's just gonna fall. First thing you want to do, you want to check your owner's manual, make sure that you have the right set of bulbs. For us, we went and we picked it up from Canadian Tire. We got LEDs so then they will last longer, and we're gonna show you how to install them. Look at it, you can see 3 connectors. One is white, the other 2 are gray. The white is the power connection. You want to release that, so you want to push down and pull out. And then this bottom light is your reverse light, and this top light is your tail light. This is an opportunity to replace both lights, but we're just going to replace the tail light. So that's just simply twisting and pulling down. And there we go, it's out. This is a friction fit bulb, so to remove it, you just want to pinch slightly and then pull out. And it's the exact opposite. You want to just slightly push it in. And then, there you go. And now you can just, and then twist, and then now it should not be coming out. Now that's back in, you want to make sure to plug the power back in so then you can actually use the light. It's the exact same process on both sides, so I'll quickly do that and I'll talk to you later. Now you want to lower the tailgate, and then you want to start up the car and check if the lights are on. Wait, does it need to be started on? With our lights on, you can see the glow of the lights. It's hard to see in the day, but at night you can definitely see it. Now that we've had success, I'm going to put the back panel on by putting them into the clips. While I do it, you get to watch. The first trick is to put the hangers in, and then you can just pop all the clips in. Until it's dark out, so then you can actually see that the taillights glow up. We'll see you then. It is nighttime now, and as you can see, the lights are working perfectly, so that concludes our video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you didn't, put it down in comments what you think I could do better.